Hey guys, what's going on? It's JC back with another video. Today, doing another food review. I don't even know what number. Don't you take a picture of me while I'm doing my video.
Don't show my face.
I am here. Don't worry, I won't show your face. I am currently here with Preek, who said he'll do a face review at 50 subscribers. Hey, you don't need to cover your face. I won't show your face. I have a burger. Fries. My grandma has a chili dog. What did you get?
Same order you got. Cheeseburger.
Cheeseburger and fries. And did you just get some fries?
Taste it.
Guess my grandma's my cameraman now.
Fries are
ready?
Fries
Tasting the burger. Plain cheeseburger.
Mukbang. It's a mukbang.
What's your rating out of 10?
I'd say like a 7.
That's an 11.
The fries is...
My cameraman, my grandma, says the chili dog's gonna love. Let's try some fries. Ah, that's burning my hand. Only one.
I'm pretty sure they just got these fresh from McDonald's.
Look. Okay. If you hear machines in the background, that's because they're working on McDonald's. Oh, and I got cherry Coke. I mean, not cherry Coke, cherry Pepsi.
Cherry vanilla Coke is better than vanilla Coke.
And that is what Preek got as well. Okay. So yeah, bye guys!